Okay guys, for today's shenanigans, as you can see I already have my truck lifted up. I am taking out the exhaust and welding it, and then also cutting this off for a little bit more room, because this is where the bump stop used to be. There you can see a little stub, and this is just kind of welded onto the side of the frame right there, but they're still solid under there. But there's the cherry bomb that's going to be all welded in today, and also we are plasti dipping this guy's rims because he wants to be race car too. BMWs are actually pretty hard to find jack points on. They're annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
You're gonna look sick.
So how's it going, guys?
It's going good, boy.
Going good, boy?
Look at it. You know how it's going. Look at it.
Look at it. Look at them.
You literally have to like go an inch away from the rim to see the whole thing.
The people on YouTube want to know, we're gonna get carbon fiber wheel caps.
This guy's rice. This guy's BMW rice.
So for now, I'm gonna leave this on here, and this is just gonna really stick out.
It'll look good though. It'll look good.
It'll look good.
It has black on it.
It'll look good, yeah. It'll match.
It'll be fine.
But then I want to get some carbon fiber ones, make it look a lot cleaner.
Because these aren't light enough.
Yeah.
Because weight reduction, you know, you don't want these
Weight
heavy.
reduction.
You don't want these heavy plastic
Oh my
caps.
gosh.
I mean, like, look,
I'm just trying to make it look sick.
look how heavy this is.
The only thing that's gonna bother
Shut
me is
up.
that they're gray around the outside.
Yeah, I know. But it'll be fine. It's not like nobody's gonna like inspect my car and be like, oh, the top of your wheel cap is gray. Your car sucks. You know, like,
I feel like that's something you would say.
oh my gosh.
That rim dough. That rim dough.
Hey, hey.
One down.
Scale of 1 to 10. What would you say?
Picking 15.
15? Seems about right. I like it.
Right.
I like it.
Right. Hit here, there, and then beat that piece in for you.
This is how rigged it is, boys.
Boys. Beating it in with a good old hammer. Best tool you can have in your toolbox. Even though I don't have one personally. I always use wrenches.
Now I am.
Don't get close to
Smoking
those.
just a little bit.
What?
It's smoking just a little bit.
Go get Ben.
It doesn't look round in the camera though. Es muy bueno. Es muy bueno.
This is what happens when you leave a BMW owner like this.
Give me a second. I'll call you back.
This car ends up balanced on 2 jacks, not touching the ground.
So what do we do?
Okay, is that wheel solid?
Yeah, that wheel's solid.
Keep it coming.
I think we should drop it a little bit. Never mind.
Slowly.
Or not.
Or very, very quickly. Whew.
Hey.
Nice and mean do not go in the same sentence. Oh, don't back up. The jack stands are back here still. That would have been funny for me. Not for you.
Not so much for you.
No. The jack stands would be fine. The bumper, not so much.
Yeah, the rear end of your car, not so much, depending on how far you went.
Yeah, so almost done with this. Whole thing all welded up. Okay, before we put the exhaust on, it's all welded up, all good. Before we slap that on, we can start it one last time.
I'm moving.
I really am gonna miss that. Boy, this guy thinks he's so cool.
Oh, I know I'm so cool.
Oh, okay. Driving his automatic BMW.
Manual right there. That's manual.
Manual.
It's more manual than this guy's truck.
Shut up. Look at them rims though. Okay, so we just got the exhaust in, all bolted up and everything. Go ahead and show them that. And we're gonna start it.
It sounds so much better, dude. Oh boy. We about to do it, boy. We be done. Go!